Does GoDaddy report to credit bureaus? GoDaddy is a domain registrar and web hosting service provider. It does not report customer payment activity to credit bureaus. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. No credit reporting. Reason: GoDaddy does not offer credit lines, loans, or financing services. Payments are made upfront through subscriptions, so there is no need to report to credit bureaus. 2. Accepted payment methods. Payment options: credit debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express. PayPal, ACH, or bank transfer for some business accounts. Why it matters: since GoDaddy processes immediate payments, it does not generate credit reports. Third, credit score impact. Direct impact: using GoDaddy services does not affect your credit score. Indirect impact: if you pay using a credit card, your credit card issuer reports payment activity, not GoDaddy. 4. What to do if you miss a payment. Action steps: ensure your payment method is up to date to avoid service interruptions. Contact GoDaddy customer support if you encounter payment issues. 5. When to worry about credit reporting. Relevant services: consider business loans or lines of credit from financial institutions that report directly to credit bureaus. Use business credit cards linked to your GoDaddy account for indirect credit history building.